Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished leaders and guests, our dear friends. Welcome to the Huawei Service Capabilities Partner Success Seminar. I'm the volunteer host, Nancy, and such a great honor to be here with you to share this wonderful moment. On behalf of the organizers, Huawei, I'd like to extend a sincere gratitude and warmest welcome to all of you. Thank you for your coming. This session will focus on Huawei service capabilities, talent enablement, and success story. And let's explore future collaboration opportunities together. And now, please join me in welcoming Zhang Tao, Director of the Huawei Partner Network Technology Capability Operations, to deliver the opening remarks. Let's welcome.
Distinguished guests, partner, and friends, good afternoon. Welcome to beautiful Huawei headquarters, Shenzhen, China, and welcome to the Service Partner Roundtable. On behalf of Huawei, I would like to bring my heartfelt thanks for your long-term support and trust in Huawei. Partner capability are critical to business development and success. In year 2024, the Saudi Representative Office has done a lot of practical work in partnership development, which clarifies the strategy and the directions of partner capability development in Saudi. Huawei joined efforts with partners and achieved win-win cooperation. In the year 2024, we achieved $1.6 billion revenue in Saudi office, which is the largest rep office around the world. Our partners contribute a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much again. In Saudi, we have more than 200 service partners delivering ICT service to customers. Partner capability that meet end-to-end customer requirements are one of the key success factors for enterprise business. In the past year, Huawei has helped more than 800 partner engineers improve their capabilities and proactively support 200 partner key project delivery. We continuously improve service quality and efficiency and work with partners to jointly ensure customer experience and satisfaction. In the past 2 years, the O3 community has been successfully promoted in Saudi. Till today, 800 partner engineers registered and all 7 out of them actively use O3 community. Now, O3 community, together with O3 Work Studio, has grown into a comprehensive platform, the O3 Partner Service Enablement Platform. The new Work Studio recognizes user service rules actually fits knowledge and best practice based on service activities. We believe O3 Partner Service Enablement Platform will help partners efficiently carry out service activities. To help partners deliver projects successfully, based on the delivery journey, we released the scenario-based partner delivery package. Besides, Ask O3 and the deliver support module in Tech for Room can help your team solve problems quickly. My team will share with you more in their speech. Huawei are making effort to improve the product service ability and open more product delivery service to partner. There will be more service business as soon as partner capability is promoted. Finally, I would like to thank all the guests, all the partners again for coming and wish our roundtable a great success. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Zhang Tao, for inspiring speech, and let's give a warm round of applause again. Next, Mr. Yang Tao, Operation Manager, Service Partner Enabled Debt, will present the O3 Partner Service Enablement platform facilitates intelligent equipment upgrades. Let's welcome!
Good afternoon, Saudi partners on site and online. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yang Tao. I'm from L3 platform. I'm the operation manager. So before the PPT presentation, I would like to invite you to watch a video which is going to introduce some major functions of our O3 platform. Please play the video.
How can I set up one-stop access to my O3?
How can I address slow improvement in employees'
How do I
practical
obtain the same
capabilities?
operation tool packages
How
as
many
those provided
high-end
by the
storage
original
products have been
vendors?
installed this year? Which devices have warranty?
How can I quickly contact the vendor's engineers?
O3 accompanies you on a journey of smart services.
My journey with O3 began 6 months ago. I just obtained the Datacom Campus Network certification. This customer's project has always had high requirements, and their product solution is relatively new. O3 recommended a one-stop learning package for medium-sized campuses that would help me get acquainted with the latest solutions and products. I tried it out and found that the guided learning course was informative and practical because everything was in one place, so I did not have to search for various documents in different places. In terms of actual project delivery, the practice questions and model answers helped me identify my weaknesses and fill in the gaps. Through practicals and online practice questions, I was able to become more familiar with the devices and service configurations in advance. What I learned at O3 comes in handy during online experiment drills. Installation's done, let me synchronize the progress information. In the past, it took more than a half a day to manually convert thousands of lines of configuration code. Now, the configuration translation tool is available, saving time and trouble. Finally, I can use the project quality check tool to check the configurations. This avoids any incorrect or missing configurations that may be caused by dependence on experience in the past.
I will let the customer know that the project has been successfully completed. Hearing that our customers are satisfied makes us feel more confident.
Hello.
This is an emergency. The devices directly connected to the switch cannot be pinged on the network you delivered before.
In the past, when encountering a problem, I needed to either search through the product documentation or call Technical Support Center for help. Now, the O3 Intelligent Search function helps me find the exact information I need in just a few seconds. I have only 30 minutes. The time is tight and I have no time to verify the solution. I need to contact the expert engineers of the original vendor for assistance. One-click escalation of complex issues to the original vendor, information sharing, and solution offering help solve issues efficiently.
The O3 Partner Service Enablement Platform assists partners in intelligent equipment upgrade and supports simple, direct, and efficient partner work.
So this is the video to show some major functions of our O3 platform. Our O3 platform is combined functions platforms. First, I want to introduce why we built this platform. In the past 30 years, while we have been produced a lot of experience and knowledges, such as cases, tools, this experience and knowledges we want to introduce and share to our partners. So we'll build this platform. O3 stands for online, open, and orchestration, which include three products. That is O3 Work Studio, O3 Exchange, and O3 Community. O3 Work Studio is a one-stop business journey platform which unified portal focused on mainstream services and intelligent operations. The O3 Exchange is a one-stop capability openness platform, which is a co-building and sharing platform. And our O3 community is a one-stop information aggregation platform, which is an active information exchange and intelligence connectivity platform. Combined with these three platforms, we build our O3 family. This family can provide the intelligent equipment and tools to support our partners a better service. So for O3 Work Studio, we opened for these three markets: NA market, commercial market, and distribution market. And we have been so far created 6 rules to log in the system: the engineer, service sales, project manager, quality manager, technical manager, and service directors. And along the delivery journey, the O3 Work Studio have been created more than 30 high-value capability packages to support the delivery of our partner. And we have been also combined below more than 8 platforms together to support our partners' delivery. In 2025, we have some major tasks and plans. First of all, for unified portal, the EIBMS and PSD is going to be combined into Work Studio. Secondly, we are going to plan some major businesses carried on our platform, such as HCSX certification, ARRR analyze, and officially switching of HCSX. Such kind of businesses is carried on this platform is quite easier and better services to the partners' delivery journey. And plus, we are going to also create some more smart tools and equipment and some apps on the platform during the whole journey to support the full set of the journey for better delivery. The O3 community, I believe most of our partners have been using it, which is a knowledge application and a knowledge connection and knowledge sharing platform. For knowledge application, there's a lot of applications on this platform. For 2025, there are some major new functions to be added on this platform. For example, for partner delivery packages, this one we are going to output 37 packages to cover most of the product line. They will be like nearly 100% coverage. For online labs, there's a new function for breaking point saving. So compare with before, our partners can do the experiment like twice or 3 times. Not only you have to finish in one time, so it will be quite easier for our partner. And for Huawei Insider, we also provide some more new technical exchange and expert sharing. For knowledge, for knowledge connection combined with the DeepSeek module, the intelligent search will become more and more smarter. And for knowledge sharing, we encourage our partners to do more sharing, including the case sharing, some online sharing, some all kinds of sharing, no matter it's online or offline. So the more sharing our engineers do, the more benefit you will have, especially for our HCIE expert. The double sharing and double coins and double benefits. This is a typical function carried on our platform, which is talent development. The talent development, there are two scenarios. It's advanced learning and scenario-based learning. For advanced learning, the O3 Work Studio is the only platform to carry the HCSX certification, that function, only on this platform. For in China, the policy will be held on 1st of July, and for overseas, it's starting from January next year. So better we can be familiar and do some preparation, and even you can try to start from a work studio. It's quite easier for the service engineer, service manager, and the technical manager to set the goal, and it's also quite easier for the engineer to study and follow all the operations on the platform. And for the assessment profile, it's very clear to show the engineer's strengths and weaknesses, and also some recommendation how to improve. And the whole process is visualized by both the management and the engineer. So it's easy for the service director to remind the engineers to speed up the process. And for scenario-based learning, it's suitable for those engineers who is going to start a new project delivery. In case he's not familiar or forgot some knowledges, he can start this scenario-based learning from the platform. Just follow the process to finish the courses, experiment and test. The system will tell the engineer, yes, you are ready to deliver. So this one will avoid some maybe risk for on-site test or some mistakes, because you already tried. So I think these are the major functions for the talent development. I think that is what I want to introduce for today. Thanks for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Yang Tao, for inspiring us. Next, we dive into the topic, growing with O3. O3 represents the Huawei technical excellence and drive our partner ecosystem. Let's welcome Wu Jun, Director of Partner Datacom Product Capability Operations Ops, to share insight on O3 framework and partner development strategy. Welcome.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tommy Wu. It's a pleasure to be here. Today, I will introduce Huawei O3 Elite User Program, how to grow together with O3. As we know, in Huawei O3, there are 4 levels for current users. If you register as a common user, you will get the basic benefits. If you sign up with O3 as partner, you will get special benefits, such as online labs, tech access. At the same time, if the partner who has HCI certification, he will have more benefits, include exclusive badge, more tech service. If you become the Hall of Fame user, that means you will have more coins incentive. You will have more opportunity to participate in Huawei partner events. Once you become O3 Huawei Insider, that means you will have more privileges, including communicate like today with Huawei expert, with Huawei headquarter director. So I'm going to introduce in detail about it in next pages with our partners to become Huawei Elite and grow together to create the future. As we know, Huawei offers 3 levels about career certification, associate, professional, and expert. In this year, we are building O3 HCI Zone to enhance our partner influence and improve our partner HCI benefits. If the partner who have HCI certification, he will get the following benefits as here. The first one, you will get HCI's exclusive badge. The second one, you will get coins multiplication program. That means you will get more bonus incentive. The third one, you can one click to reach Huawei expert. You will get more support from headquarters, from regional. The last one, but not the least, you will have dedicated resources, include lab resources and learning resources. How about Hall of Fame? In 2025, Huawei will focus on building Hall of Fame. How to join Hall of Fame? Who can join the Hall of Fame? That depends on your contribution. If the partner who make contribution by the way, such as post the article, release a case, or do some event sharing, you will have chance to join the Hall of Fame. Once you become the Hall of Fame user, you will get special benefits. As mentioned here on the right side of this page, like monthly coin incentive, some special invitation offline like today. Even you will get more exclusive badge. In the future, there will more and more benefits will come. So I wish all of you can be the elite user. Let the industry see the influence of our partner, of Huawei partners. Okay, in the last, I want to introduce the top level Huawei Insider. What we call the Huawei Insider. Huawei Insider is an exclusive expert circle for Huawei service system partners. It operates on a real-name invitation system. Here I will show the what Huawei Insight you can include, get. Now, Huawei Insider include 4 activity groups and 11 activities, which everyone can become an active participant and join Huawei Insider program to get the benefits. What is the value here? What is the added value about Huawei Insider? If you become the Huawei Insider, you will have the chance, you will have the opportunity to influence Huawei product roadmap. That means you can align with the product line, you can align with HQ to feedback customer requirements. Second, you can participate in solution design and product solution testing. You will get more latest news about networking. The third one, you can keep updated with latest technology and the industry trends. The last one, you can earn recognition and rewards. So that means you will be the leader, the industry leader. We are looking forward to your participation. Green with O3. Thank you so much. Shukran.
Thank you, Mr. Wu Jun. O3 offers a structured path for partners to leverage Huawei capabilities. We look forward to seeing more success stories. Technical capability rely on talent empowerment. Now let's welcome William Wei, Director of the Saudi Arabia Service Partner Enablement Dept, to explain how talent enablement towards bright future. A round of applause, please.
All right. Welcome and thanks everybody's coming, all my friends in Saudi. So I hope you all like these 2 days tourist here in China and in Huawei headquarters. One of my friends just tell me that, we are feeling, suffering while enjoying. I think this is the same feeling while we do any projects, we are enjoying for the revenue, for the money. But we always suffering because of the customer issues, because of many difficulties of the projects, right? That's why we established this department called the Partner Enablement Department. And so I will not go, details of the slides because most of the slides I have already introduced many times. But first of all, I think 2 of my colleagues just introduced the O3. O3 is we just developed from Huawei company to open for all the partners from 2023, open for the partners. And I can give an example, like one of our Western partner engineer in 1 month ago, he just get one mid-pad from the O3 because he's trying to sharing the cases, he's trying to share his knowledge with the global engineers as well. And meanwhile, today we are on the live broadcast. It's also my great honor to have this speech here, since through the live broadcast globally. I think they just informed me hundreds of engineers from globally already on the live videos. Secondly, we have more than 30 plus specialization partners so far in Saudi. To be honest, for the Saudi business, which is, as yesterday our CEO introduced, we have more than $1.6 billion revenue in Saudi. And in terms of enterprise, we have more than 200 million now. This year we target for 300, which is the top 2. Enterprise, we are top 2. And in the overall business, we are top 1. So 30 plus specialization partners for sure is not enough. Always some partners come to me, ask William, like how we will be the service partners, how we will can get more revenues or more business with Huawei. For sure, we always encourage or we always recommend our capability partners to do more business. That's why we need to keep in-house our partners' capability. Next page. So this is the overall framework from our KSA partner enablement. I think most of the partners, we have the PSM, which called the Partner Service Manager, is keeping every months, every day, every week, working with our partners. We are aligning the business plan with the partners. We are aligning the certification plan for all those things. And also, we are arranging many partner forum for partners to sharing the successful cases. Like today is one of the partner forum as well. And also, we have many technical training in Saudi every week. We are organizing 1 to 2 times training. Even next week, we have the HCIE training, offline HCIE training in Saudi. So you also can invite all your engineers to attend this kind of training. And salon events for sure, like today's event, yesterday's event. Last is some special actions is whenever you have any issues, asking for support from us, our team is there. Next page is about, maybe you always ask, also this page and next page, some of the products, why Huawei always quote for the Huawei professional service? Why sometimes we want to do the service, but we cannot? So there is the rules inside our company, because we divide different, as we always mentioned, we divide 3 different layers of the market, which the maybe distribution market is the product is much easy, so we can give more authorization to the partners. And SMA for sure, we have the specific products for those as well. But for the NEMA account, most of the project is some big project, is some complex scenarios, right? For such kind of projects, usually Huawei will call some professional service. But entire our service product, we always giving the different authorization to our service partners, which is the next page. So we have 3 different levels of the specialization, from basic to advanced to master. So far in Saudi, we have 4 partners which already reaching to the master level. So these 4 partners, they will get more authorization of the, firstly, of the delivery. So some of the, we call it A product. We call it A product. Like some of the A products, we are not authorized for partners like 5G, right? Like IBS, like wireless, such kind of the product we will do by Huawei self, because such technology is much complex. But from like NCE, we always keep opening to our partners. We try to let our partner to deliver it. In case you can reach into certain level of the certification. So this is number 1. Number 2, even from the discount level, the higher you get in the specialization, the higher you will get more discount. We have one basic level. I didn't mention the number here, but once you reach into the advanced level, the discount will be more than the basic level. And for sure, once you come to the master level, it will be 16% higher than the basic level. So this is how we authorize to our partners. There is the rules. So somehow, if any partner, like later on you want to know more details, we can go back to Saudi and discuss one-to-one. And this is the framework from our department, how we will enable our partners' capability from 3 different scenarios. Number 1, from product. As I just mentioned, is by specialization, is by certification. Okay. Number 2, here is also mentioned, we have 30 specialization partner as of now, and we have 4 master. For master, I think BMC is there, GBS is there, NGN is there, and master house. This is the 4. We always encourage all other partners can upgrade your level of the certification. You will get more discount, you will get more authorization. Secondly, for the complex network, this year, next page I will also introduce, we give another program, we call it Golden Seas. Golden Seas only in KSA, we starting this program as of now. So from each company, we will select, this year our target is 50. We will select 50 Golden Seas, including the sales, pre-sales, and also delivery. So by this Golden Seas, we will set up the mentor for the partners for these Golden Seas. So we can try to train them how we work. We will share the experience, share the knowledges, open all the system authorization for them, right? Through the project, exactly enable their capability. Also, for such golden seeds, once they reach into the certain level, we have the individual incentive for them. I will introduce in next page. The last is the care services. We always say the co-care. Co-care, firstly, as I think most of partners you know, the co-care is much cheaper than hair care. Also, the co-care can be more closely for partner with customers because hair care always Huawei providing service to customer, right? But if you can do co-care, you will be more closely with partner with customers. So it's good for your continually for your long-term business as well. So this is the last page for the Golden Seeds program. What we will program this year as now. Firstly, select. We will have 3 different levels of the Golden Seeds: S1, S2, and S3. Secondly, we have some target for different partners. Like for the if you already reach into the basic, we recommend this year maybe you can target for 1 S2 partner for 1 S2 Golden Seeds. But if you reach into the master already, we recommend you do 2 S2 level and 1 S3 level. Secondly, for the operation, there is some requirement for the Golden Seeds. Number 1, he need to get the certification. Certification training, we will make it. Certification voucher, we will make it as well. Thirdly, we hope them can do some practical capability. So not only the exam, not only the certification, but also from practical, we will open all the online labs for them. They can do the labs practice, they can do the simulation, they can do everything from the O3 platform. And thirdly, they need to give some professional give back, like whatever the project they did, how they successful in this project, how customer satisfied for this kind of a project. He can give some give back, and meanwhile, he also can get the benefit from such kind of sharing. And awarding, and the most important is the operation. So as just introduced, we have the O3 Work Studio. Later on, we can introduce 2 partners one-to-one. So from the manager side, you can see, okay, there is 10 calls, how much already done by your technical managers or by your engineers, how much not yet done, what is the target, when they can finish, right? And also from our side, we are pairing with our mentor, with our Huawei staff as mentor to teach them. And the most important as a result. So as a company, what is the benefit for you? Because we will train your engineers. They have more capability. They can serve customers more satisfied, right? But from the individual side, we also give them benefit. If he can pass S3, I didn't mention here, but if he can pass S3, we will give him like $800 vouchers, gift vouchers. If he can pass S2, we can give around $300 voucher gift to the engineer. Not only the delivery engineer, but also the sales and pre-sales. So this one, later on, our PAM and PSM will contact with all the partners one-to-one to look who is the golden seeds and what he needs to do exactly. Okay. So the last page is about our ASC partners. ASC partners we introduced many times. In Saudi, so far we already authorized 1 ASC partner, which is Reliton, our distributor. Later on, also they will share in their capabilities and offerings to all the partners. So that's all my speaking. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wei, for your wonderful sharing. Talent is the cornerstone of the ecosystem success, and Huawei is committed to build a down engine of the technology plus talent with all partners. Value comes from combining theory with the practice, and now let's hear real-world insight from a Huawei ASC certified partner. Let's welcome Mohammad Fahimi, Senior Product Manager of Reliton, Saudi Arabia, to share her collaboration journey with Huawei.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Fahmi. I am the Senior Product Manager in Redington, handling Huawei since past 5 years. Today I'm fulfilling my colleague Blaise, who was supposed to do this presentation, but he had a medical case So we wish him to get well very soon, inshallah, and we are going to proceed. طيب. First of all, Redington is a group of companies. We have Redington Distribution Company, we have Insure Service Company. I'm gonna talk today about Insure Service Company. Our Insure Service Company, we are the IT infrastructure support company. Also, we are providing an IT managed services. We are available on 48 support center. We have 48 support center. 3 of them are available in Saudi. We have more than 300 employees. 2/3 of them is already certified in different IT infrastructure products. Huawei is the most important one. We have more than 40 certified Huawei engineer with all Huawei domains. We can provide all the services needed to any kind of solution and to cover all Huawei product portfolio. We have also, second one, our comprehensive services we are providing to our customers. We are providing device lifecycle services, implementation services, also managed service and value-added services. In front of us, we have all kind of details for each kind of services. The most important thing, which I wanted to emphasize here, that Insure Service, Redington also as well, we are the only authorized service center in Saudi. This was done after lots of efforts spent, and we are happy to tell this to all our partners. You can depend on us, the new partners and also the existing ones, to provide you with all the services needed for Huawei. What is ACS? What is Authorized Service Center? We can provide you with all those kind of services, iMaster NCE Campus, backup solution, data center migrations, and NAS also, SD-WAN implementation. We are providing the wireless solution, firewall, data, disaster recovery. All these kind of services we are able to provide to our partners, depending on our engineers, which we trust that they can deliver whatever needed by our customers. These are the service we can provide, but also not limited to this. We have also the day 2 services. We are available 24/7. Our help desk is available to receive all the inquiries from the partners. We can provide a remote support as well. We can sign various SLA with our partners. We can do the preventive maintenance. We can also provide you with the resident engineer to be available, and we're already having such cases. We can help our partners for the solution architect. I know that Huawei is already providing those kind of services to all our partners, but also we are available here to provide our partners. We are completing each other, Redington and Insure Service, to provide all the customers with these services. I wanted to not showcase, we have many success stories available in the market, but I selected only 2, which was very challenging, but alhamdulillah, we have done it and delivered it successfully. First one, for a well-known customer, they were using a legacy data center. We helped them to do a data migration project. The main thing here that we wanted to do to reduce the downtime, because this is a live operation data center. So when migration to the new Huawei products and new data center, the challenge was to bring down the downtime to the minimum. Alhamdulillah, we have done it. Our team was successfully there. We done the design, we done the implementation. Also, up till now, we have our resident engineer working there to support them. We have signed an SLA with them also as well. This was a very critical project, but alhamdulillah, we have done it successfully. Second one, this, I was on top of this project and it was done recently. It's a well-known warehousing company, was upgrading the warehouse, all of it, by using the robots. and the AI, which is something new. The main thing here was, or the challenge, how to cover this big area with the Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi solution. Many times we have edited and updated and lots of effort spent to make the accurate heat map. Each location should be covered 100% because everything depends on Wi-Fi. The situation there that it's a warehouse, so weather conditions are very hard. We are working between -20 up to 40 plus degree, but successfully we have done it. We delivered a very good solution to them. Our team was day and night working there. Also, our engineers also for the design and product selection as well. So this was a very important project to us. Alhamdulillah, we handed over. Now it is operating normally. And also we have our engineer sitting there as a resident engineer, plus signing an SLA with the end user. Those two cases, it is not only limited for those two cases, we have also very good success stories in the market. To be honest, Redington is a group, big group. We have Redington Distribution Company, which I'm related to, also Insure Service Company. This is our service arm in the market. Most of you knows it, but now we are the only authorized service center in Saudi, so we are proud of this, and we are pushing or telling this to our partners to utilize it, even old or new customers. We are there for you. We can support you on whatever technical service is needed. Our unique value, we are neutral. You can trust us. We will support you on whatever service you needed. Also, we are providing a complete IT ecosystem service. I'm here presenting my product, Huawei, but Insure Service, it is not limited only for Huawei. Different and well-known top IT infrastructure companies, our team is certified and they can do whatever services needed for Huawei and for others as well. I was quick, sorry for this. This is live and this is something new to me, but I hope that I have presented the right information for you. And thank you very much for your listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Fahimi. ASC certification is not just a badge, it's a passport. So thank you. And now, what does it take to become a Huawei competency partner? So let's welcome Ahmed Mandu, Chief Operating Officer of BMC, to review the key steps. Welcome. Let's give a warm round of applause.
Thank you all for attendance and thank you for Huawei for the invitation. My name is Ahmed Mamdouh. I'm acting as Chief Operation Officer inside BMC. As a small brief about BMC, we are part of Midis Group, which is already existing in more than 100 countries overall the world. As acting as a Chief Operation and as integrator company inside the market, we are already working with many vendors, exceeding 80 vendors in the market. What we saw in Huawei, especially in the channel team and the enabling team, that they give an incentive care to the partner how to make the enabling and to be ready for the market and how to enhance your partnership with Huawei products. As a brief about BMC, as we mentioned, we are master specialized in Huawei Datacom, advanced in Huawei storage and Huawei optical. And we are now ASP, which is authorized service partner in the market, which all of this journey, which is already started in 2019, around 6 years now, all of this was enabled by Huawei support. So what BMC offers in the market, we can offer the technical support and professional services as well. We have our service center, which is working 24/7, call center. You can contact us anytime, open your ticket, and you will find your engineers are moving to solve the ticket for you. Here's a small brief about our journey. We start in 2019, as we mentioned, and end up in 2024 as a gold partner and authorized service partner with Huawei. Each year, we are trying to increase our partnership, increasing our engineers, increasing our existing in the market. That's why we are, when we became gold, we are increasing our engineers in certification. And a special thanks for the O3 portal, which is supporting us heavily, which I really advise everyone to make use of this tool, which is provide incentive tools, incentive informations, supporting systems, enabling for your staff, make a right simulation, and you can simulate all of this and go in the market and make the most critical project in this. Here we have two projects I need just to demonstrate, which are around SADAYA and UNSU, which is very critical projects. We have a replacing of one of existing vendors. I believe everyone can utilize and understand which is the name of the vendors. Replacing a live network, replacing mission critical data running on these customers, replacing with Huawei products was very critical, but all of this success with Huawei support in this one. Thanks for your attendance, and we are here for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mamdou. Strategic alignment and capability co-creation are the key to success. And now we are gathered here to openly discuss a very important topic. Driving success through Huawei service capability and Huawei experience can be transferred to Huawei partner in Saudi Arabia and align with Country Vision 2030. As we embark on this journey, Huawei and its partners emerge as a powerful catalyst, empowering the individuals and organizations to achieve customer satisfaction. So I'm honored to introduce our esteemed panel of experts and visionary leaders. 1. Zhang Tao, Director of Huawei Partner Network Technology Capability Operations. Number 2, Ali Ashankati, GM, MDS for Computer System. Number 3, Cheng Liang, Operation Director of Service Partner Enablement DAPT. Number 4, Semi Limda, Service and Pre-Sales Manager, BTC. As Saudi Arabia continues its ambitious journey towards digital transformation, the role of skilled professionals have never been more critical. Huawei's solutions and services have emerged as a global standard for ICT industry. So in this panel discussion, we will explore the impact of Huawei's services on the Saudi ICT industry and involving the role of the skilled professional and the future of digital transformation in Kingdom. Now let's welcome our leaders. Let's give a warm round of applause. Welcome. Let's give a warm round of applause again. Thank you. Now let's move to round 1. So the first question I want to ask Ali Anshankati. The question 1, what are the biggest challenges and opportunities for digital transformation in Saudi market, and how can partnerships and technology enablement help overcome them?
Good evening. Well, thank you very much for having me. Very honored to be here at the Huawei campus. In Saudi Arabia, we have many challenges whenever we embark on a digital transformation journey with one of our customers. Many times we see that there is a big talent gap in the customer, or even just engineers that are able to deliver services needed by our customers. Now, Huawei provides us with lots of tools to be able to bridge this gap. So there's lots of enablement sessions, lots of one-to-one mentoring. There's a lot of online classes we can take, and of course, there's a lot of innovative products as well that can help us deliver our message to our customers. In addition to that, Huawei is about to, we hear that Huawei is about to bridge a gap also in the lack of, let's say, we're talking about AI, let's say, artificial intelligence. There is a gap in the market with products for AI. We believe that Huawei is about to bridge this gap. It's about to provide a new stream of GPUs, new stream of Gentic AI products that can be very useful for for our customers.
Thank you for your wonderful answer. So the second question I want to ask Zhang Tao. Question 2, can you give us some good examples of tools and platform helping partners in skill enhancement and collaborative business with some number for everybody reference?
Okay, let me give some number and some case. By the year 2024, globally, Huawei have more than 3,500 service partners, okay, in the world, and 0.7 million certified professionals, okay. You can see the partner engineer. Globally, we have 0.7 million have the certified professional, and including ICT service solution partner, we have 76, and also we have 230 ASC partner. Just Reddington, the CEO have introduced ASC partner. We have 230, and last year in China we developed more than 200 ASC partner. So also I give 2 examples. First one is in China, Yunnan province. Last year we worked together with our partner to identify around 200 service sales opportunity, not only for service but also for the device sales. So ultimately we work together and collaborate with partner to get around $20 million USD revenue. Okay, this is you can see service promotes the sales. This is first case. The second one is in China, in Shanghai. Last year, we have in the past 2 years we have developed the O3 platform. Just now, my colleague already gave the speech regarding the O3 platform. The Shanghai partner use the O3 platform to learn and practice and simulate and use the tools, okay, for planning and design. This can improve the efficiency around 50%, and the total project delivery time have been reduced around 30%. So you can see this is help our partner to reduce the cost and improve the efficiency. This is another kind of perfect, you can see perfect. So Huawei is working together, with our partner to collaborate with our partner to deliver the leading digital, intelligent, and low carbon industry solution and the industry network to create more value, okay, to our society and customers. So we can working together to improve our capability and get more business opportunity. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your sharing. So the third question I want to ask Sami Linda. Which Huawei 2 platform do Saudi partners primarily use for delivery services, and what is their experience with them?
Okay, so thank you for having me today. One of the good platforms that Huawei introduced is the O3 platform community. which have very good feature, and it's available platform that is about knowledge sharing into Huawei ecosystem. It have very enhanced features like intelligent search and intelligent question and answer, and intelligent recommendations, which enhance the quality. Also, it has more than 50 plus tools that provide different feature to different domains like the optical and datacom and storage. However, in Saudi, there are some tools which is famous, like the wireless LAN planner, SDWNA designer, and A-Pro desktop, and also there is a BSD tool that is used for project services management that provide a complete visibility for all stakeholders in the projects. As well, it provide reporting and performance audit. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you for your answer. So the fourth question I want to ask leader Wu Jun. Huawei has made a significant investment in global research and development. And how important is the R&D in your partnership? And what impact has this had on Saudi ecosystem?
Okay, so maybe you asked Wu Jun, so I answered the questions instead of Wu Jun, right? Yes, okay, no problem. Never mind. So you mentioned the R&D. That's an interesting topic. So I think it's a huge investment in R&D of Huawei in last 30 years, and R&D Huawei's R&D enable us to stay ahead of the curve and anticipate the future need. So, and R&D is also the core competitiveness and the heart of everything that's for the collaboration between Huawei and our partners. Then that does not only benefit the partners, but also we can create more and more community opportunities and benefits for the future projects. Yes, so this collaboration and in the local level, this collaboration make us building a innovation ecosystem and develop the skilled talent in Saudi. It does not only that's not only for the partners, but for Huawei. So, and the last one, under the R&D investment enable Huawei make sure to have the critical ability to navigate the complex technical issues and provide solutions to our customers and what they need. Yes, so. And the last one I want to mention Huawei's ability that I want to mention the AI. So the Huawei's ability that we can provide the real-time deep insight by AI powered network along with the security aspect to lead to a new area of ultra reliable and high security digital services. So we believe that we in this domain, I mean in the AI domain, that the synergy between Huawei and our partners will shape the future. Will shape the future, and we can just adapt, interact with the new technology, just like AI technology, so on the global scales. Yes.
Thank you, our excellent leader Cheng Liang. Let's give a warm round of applause. Now let's move to round 2. So the first question I want to ask Ali Ashankati. Can you share some experience about Huawei tools, your experience for everybody's learning?
Yes. So I want to start by asking a question. How many times has any of you partners, received a question from your customer and did not have the answer for, and you had to call somebody? I remember the gentleman from Reddington said that they can provide resident engineers. So you had to call somebody maybe in a DIST to get the answer, or call somebody at the Huawei team to get an answer. Many times as a partner, we became just messengers, getting the question from the customer and then taking this question back to Huawei or our distributor and get the answer from them and then take it back to the customer. The O3 tool actually makes us much smarter. It makes us look much smarter in front of our customers because, and this is, I'm talking from personal experience. Many times we get asked questions we really don't know how to answer. But if you can go to this tool, and especially now that I think I heard that you are integrating DeepSeek with the tools sometime in the second half. Imagine having to ask that question and then getting the answer and then answering your customer within an hour, a correct, precise, smart answer. That's great. That's really, really, really great. And my engineers are doing this today. They are using the tool. They are getting the answers. Of course, they're using it for certification as well and all the other things that we have mentioned. But this particular benefit, being able to get the right answer in no time without having to depend on a third party, this is really great. And I really thank Huawei for this.
Thank you. Thank you for your excellent insights. So the second question I want to ask Cheng Liang for partner pro-sales enablement. So can you please explain us how is it done by Huawei to support partners?
Oh, yes, that's a good question. As you know, the Huawei always rank the partners enablement as a high priority. So right now we have already the department. We have built a new department for this for this thing, and the name is of Service Partner Enable Department. I'm one of this department. So I promise. So the second one I want to say that is about we not only focus on the partners certification, but also we already built a scenario-based capability architecture as a system for our partners and for the future projects. So and last one I want to say is about the strategy. So the strategy is the different strategy in different markets. So Huawei makes sure the strategy is adapt well in different regions. Because we have not only the new department in the HQ of Shenzhen. We have we have the new department in the the 7 regions all around the world. So this Huawei makes sure the strategy will adapt well in the different countries and different regions, that we can provide the effect enablement to our partners and make sure and guarantee the customer satisfaction will not be affected. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for your answer. And now let's move to the third question. I want to ask Zhang Tao, what advice will you give to companies looking to partner with Huawei?
Okay. I would like to advise the partner take a collaborative approach, okay, to understanding our vision, okay, and of course the key, the very important thing is the capability to align the mature goals, to achieve the successful partnership, and also, of course, furthermore, we also need open communication, flexibility, and also a commitment for the innovation. Yeah, innovation. So this is paramount to foster productive alliance. Okay, this is my suggestion.
Thank you. Thank you for an inspiring answer. And the fourth question and the last question I want to ask Sammy Linda. So, how will Huawei and Saudi partner collaborate to enhance service capabilities and deliver high-value services to customers and jointly grow the service markets in the future?
Okay. Actually, it's a good question. Actually, for the future, we think Huawei and partners will have a good opportunity and incredibly good future to provide cooperative work together to Saudi companies. And through specialized skill development by providing trainings to partners in new technologies and also in the existing. And also by go-to-market together with a partner to provide digitalization needs for Saudi companies. As well by using the new digital platforms like the O3 community and the O3 work studio. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. And thank you all our 4 leaders. So please be seated. As we conclude this insightful discussion, it's clear that Huawei certifications have emerged as a powerful tool for individuals and organizations to drive digital transformation in Saudi Arabia. So by equipping the professional with the necessary skills and knowledge, Huawei certifications are empowering the workforce to meet the challenges and opportunities of the future. We encourage all aspiring IT professionals to pursue Huawei certifications and contribute to the realization of Saudi Vision 2030. We would like to thank our esteemed panelists for their insightful contribution. We also extend our gratitude to the audience for their active participation. And now let's welcome Tan Yuxin, Director of ME and CA Service Partner Enablement DAP, to deliver the closing remarks. Let's welcome!
Okay, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ethan. I'm responsible for our service partner enablement. It means all of our partners' service capability. I'm responsible for this. So as you know, Huawei is a very good company. Also, China is a very good country. It's very safety and very nice, you know. And maybe yesterday and today, all of us visit our campus and attend maybe 3 or 4 meetings here. So you can hear so many words just like community, O3 and benefit and so many things. So what we should do? We should improve or build and improve our community. What does it mean? It means money for us. So for our companies, every year we made the partners policy. So this year, 2025, we increased the commercial market rebate, you know. So first, for our distributor, we increased it to 4% or 6%. And last year, 2024, for our distributors, we just get maybe 1.8 or less than 2% rebate for our business. So it means a lot of money. What we do, why we do it? Because we encourage our partners to build our community so that you can do the business by yourself. You can sell our product by yourself and deliver it by yourself so that you can get this money. Then for our companies, what we should remember? We should remember only 3 sentences. The stronger the community, the higher the certification, and the more the benefit for us. So what we will do to help our partners improve our community, we have so many trainings, it's free. And also we have Golden Seed program, it's free. And I also gave some money to our partner engineers. It's for you, our boss, it's free. But our engineers were very happy about it. And also, if they pass our S1, S2, S3, they can get more and more support from Huawei. They can contact our engineers directly. No need to call maybe our tech or no need do any other things because you are our golden city. We will support it. We will invest many resources to do these things. And also, Middle East region is the first region and right now the only region we bring our partners go back to China for datacom training and storage training. So it's very good. And last, O3 platform is a very good platform. We can manage all of our service business, such as certification, specialization, and training. And maybe also, if you face some issues in delivering or maintenance service, you also can use this platform. You can find everything in this platform. So one word, just like yesterday we mentioned, just grow together and win future. So if you use our platform or if you have some suggestions, please let us know. And we will optimize our policy and our platform so that we can make our work more easier. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Tan Yuxing. Wonderful conclusions. Huawei firmly believes that mutual success with partners is the key to long-term value. So while today's seminar concludes, our collaboration journey is just beginning. So let's continue networking and exploring cooperation. We look forward to sharing more success stories together when we meet next time. So today's meeting has come to a successful conclusion. While we look forward to joining hands with all partners and using our service capabilities as a driving force to embrace a successful future together. And now, our guests, our friends, please come to the stage and take a group photo together and let's capture this wonderful moment.